Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pizza at home with oven updated. Preheat your oven to its maximum safe temperature and position a pizza stone or heavy sheet on the top rack so it gets blazing hot. Prepare your dough, sauce, and toppings while the oven heats. Work quickly when adding toppings so the crust stays hot, and bake until the cheese bubbles and the edge is golden brown. Use high-protein flour and about 60% hydration for a dough that stretches easily and yields a chewy, airy crust. Mix just until combined, then fold and rest to build gluten without overworking. Cold ferment the dough in the fridge for a day or longer to develop complex flavor and better oven performance. Bring dough to room temperature before shaping so it relaxes and forms thin, even crusts when stretched. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips and tricks. Quick recommendation: life is busy and kitchens can get hot. Freshen your ride with Little Tree's black ice for a crisp scent that makes running errands after pizza night more pleasant, and it pairs humorously with the oven steam. Check the description for the product link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Keep toppings balanced and minimal to let the crust shine. Thin sauce, modest cheese, and pre-cooked or dried vegetables help. Assemble pizzas quickly on a floured peel or parchment so they transfer smoothly to the hot stone. Bake close to the heat source to get char and blistering, and rotate once for even color. Let the pizza rest a couple of minutes before slicing so the cheese sets and slices cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.